Hi, this is Ali on the line. I found the property with the same parcel ID 8120. Yeah, it is exactly same, and the owner name is also same. Yes, the owner name is also same, and the address is should be same. Yes, it is same. So the property I found here, and the frontage, it is not a frontage. Yes, it is a frontage. It is a frontage because it is attached with the real frontage. And let's confirm with the area base map. So yes, it is a frontage with real road, so I should be measure it. So let's measure. There is a tool line measurement, and I have to measure. It is 39 or 40. So I wrote here 40. It is usual thing. Then wetlands is included, and FEMA flood is also included. Wetlands is partial, as you can see. It is 10% or 20%, I think, of the property. Then the other column is new, so I just convey my concept what I did put here. Area measurement of wetlands. So how how I measure the area measurement of wetlands. There is a measurement tool, area measure, and I measure the whole property but excluded the part of wetlands. Then the value over here I found, and I subtract that value from the original lot area value. What I found the value, then I put here on this column. It is the concept I follow. I am following the concept, so I want to convey the wetlands distance to road measurement. I measure the value between the wetlands and the road. So there is value 3.23 or 3.24. So 3 324, I guess 324. Conservation, no, there is no conservation. There is no chance to be conservation. FEMA floodplain, yes, there is a FEMA floodplain, and it is about 80% of property, so it should be go with yes. Transmission line, no, there is no transmission line. All these things are usual things. Includes a driveway, no, there is no driveway. And is lot a driveway road? So there is no driveway. If the driveway here, so I have to see the driveway is attached with the real frontage with uh, included the name of the road, uh, anything like North Avenue or Conant Road, anything. So then I will put here yes. So in this case, for this property, there is no frontage, and there is no frontage of road. Lot area is correct. So yes, lot area is correct. The sheet has included 1.24, and the property has 1.24. Yes, it is correct. It is. So the other column is correct lot area. If suppose if the lot area is not correct with the sheet on the original property, so then we have to put the original value we found on the land ID here. of lot area. So in this case, for this property, lot area is correct, so I have to ignore this column for this property. And the other column is includes a building, so there is no building included in this property. Assessed property value, I found the assessed property value in the parcel overview section, and there is a value. I just copied and paste here, and land value is also here. I copied and pasted here. Next to another vacant lot under same owner with real frontage, and there is another property over here with the owner name are same, but there is no real frontage, and it is not also empty. The property should be vacant. So if I found the next property anywhere, what should be next to this property, and it is must with the frontage and should be vacant, then I will put here yes. Okay, so in this case there is no property with this condition, so I put it here no. So all these concept I am following for all these properties. The concept are same. I found area measurement of wetlands and surface water. On the property, I measure the area of wetlands. In the property, it is 2.23, and also here it is 0.05, 2.23, 0.05. Zero point 23 plus 0.05, 0.28. This is the way I found the area measurement of wetlands. Wetlands and surface water distance to road measurement. So there is, in this case, there is no frontage over here for this property. If there is the road, so I will measure the distance between the real frontage and the wetlands in this property. So for this property there is no frontage. All these things are usual. Is lot a driveway road, yes or no? If the real road is a driveway, so I will be put yes over here. Correct lot area, yes, it is correct lot area. There is the correct lot area which is same to the sheet. If not, so I will be put the correct value here. Assessed property, there is assessed properties value, I will put here, and land value is also here. I will put the value here, next to another vacant lot under same owner with real frontage. There is a neighbor property with same owner name but it is not vacant. There is also a frontage but it is not vacant. In this property there is many things like buildings and driveway, so I will not consider. I will put no here.